Hydrasyn25 Cream is used to moisturize and treat dry, rough, scaly, itchy skin, and minor skin irritations like diaper rash and skin burns from radiation therapy. It contains substances that soften and moisturize the skin, decrease itching and flaking, and protect the skin against irritation. Dry skin is caused by a loss of water in the upper layer of the skin, and this cream works by forming an oily layer on the top of the skin that traps water, drawing water into the outer layer of the skin, and softening the top layer of skin cells. This helps the dead skin cells fall off, keeps the skin hydrated, and leaves the skin feeling smoother and softer. Remember to apply the cream as directed by your healthcare professional for the best results. Be sure to use Hydrasyn25 Cream as directed, and some products may need to be primed before use. Check the label to see if you need to shake the bottle well before applying. Apply the cream to the affected areas of the skin as needed or as directed by your doctor. The frequency of application will depend on the product and your skin condition. For dry hands, you may need to use the cream every time you wash your hands throughout the day. If using the cream for diaper rash, make sure to clean the diaper area well before applying. And if using it for radiation skin burns, check with radiation personnel to see if it can be applied before therapy. Be sure to follow all the directions on the label for proper use, and apply only to the skin. Avoid sensitive areas and any areas of broken, chapped, or irritated skin unless directed otherwise. It's important to use the cream regularly to get the most benefit, and for very dry skin, your doctor may instruct you to soak the area before applying. If your condition worsens or you think you have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. Using Hydrasyn25 Cream is generally safe and effective, but some people may experience burning, stinging, redness, or irritation. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist right away. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, it's because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential risks. Most people using this cream do not experience serious side effects, but it's important to seek medical attention if you notice any unusual changes in your skin or signs of infection. While a severe allergic reaction to this cream is rare, it's crucial to get immediate medical help if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects, it's best to contact your doctor or pharmacist. And if you're in the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA, or in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada. Before using Hydrasyn25 Cream, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist of any allergies you may have to its ingredients. If you have any skin cuts, infections, or sores, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before using this product. Certain ingredients in the cream, such as preservatives or fragrance, may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun. Be sure to check the label for any warnings and ask your doctor or pharmacist if you need to take any special precautions when exposed to sunlight. Your healthcare provider may advise you to limit your time in the sun, avoid tanning booths and sun lamps, and use sunscreen and protective clothing when outdoors. If you experience sunburn or skin irritation, notify your doctor immediately. If you are prone to acne breakouts, look for the word non-comedogenic on the label to ensure that the product will not clog your pores. Some products may also stain or discolor clothing, so it's best to seek advice from your doctor or pharmacist. Prior to undergoing any surgical procedure, inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, it's important to discuss the use of this product with your doctor. Additionally, if you are applying this cream to the breast area and are breastfeeding, consult with your healthcare provider as it is unclear whether this product passes into breast milk. It's important to be aware that Hydrasyn25 Cream may interact with other medications, which could affect how they work or increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as any herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Hydrasyn25 Cream while minimizing the risk of potential interactions with other medications. If someone accidentally swallows this medication, it can be harmful. If the person experiences severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. For Canadian residents, they can call a provincial poison control center. It's crucial to seek immediate medical attention in case of an overdose. To prevent dry skin, it's important to use lukewarm water when bathing, take baths or showers less often, keep them short, and use a humidifier when the air is dry. When it comes to emollient products, there are many options available, including oils, creams, lotions, and sprays. Some may contain fragrance or other ingredients that could cause sensitivity in some people. It's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to find the product that's most suitable for you. If you regularly use Hydrasyn25 Cream and happen to miss a dose, simply use it as soon as you remember. It's important not to use extra cream or use it more frequently than instructed to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to follow the storage information printed on the package, and if you have any questions, ask your pharmacist. Keep Hydrasyn25 Cream away from children and pets. Do not store the cream near high heat or use it near an open flame. Since the cream is under pressure, do not puncture or burn the container. Do not flush the cream down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard Hydrasyn25 Cream when it is expired or no longer needed. Be sure to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal instructions. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.